वेलकम वेलकम। अभी हम वर्जीनिया में हैं, स्पेस म्यूज़ियम।
Space and Science Museum
हाँ,
at Hampton.
हैम्पटन। अभी छुट्टियां चल रही हैं बच्चों की, तो घूमने के लिए आए हुए हैं वर्जीनिया। मैं आप लोग के साथ भी कुछ शेयर करना चाह रही हूँ। मुझे अच्छा लगा, तो लाइव ही मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ। होप आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा। ये देखिए, काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टिंग दिख रहा है। हम लोग को लगा आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर करना चाहिए। ये देखिए,
What they have displayed here is one of the blades from NASA Langley high-speed wind tunnel, which was used in 1944 to 1933. So here it is. You can see this is the blade which was used for high-speed wind blowing machines in the jets. So you can see these pictures where they have said those kind of blades were used. You see these blades. This is the blade, earlier made of wood, which was used in 1944. And it's on display here. The real one that was used in those planes. Okay. It's really interesting if you want to read and try to understand how things have evolved in so many years. It gives you a good information and you can try to understand the overall kind of evolution of these air and space.
अदर साइड इज उसका वो पायलट का वो दिख रहा है, वो बैठने का। कंट्रोल टू हाई क्लोज।
So these are the old, maybe one of the first fighter planes, or maybe used for the space shuttles. These are quite big. It's B-24 Liberator. Looks like these were used for wars. B-24 was used for the jobs such as hauling fuel and dropping supplies. The main use of B-24 was a weapon, used as a weapon. During World War II, B-24 Liberator dropped as many as 30,000 tons of bombs, and their guns destroyed several thousands enemy aircraft. Davis Wing.
This one is a US.
Strategic bombing and imperfect aim. US bombers were aiming for military targets, but technology and weather didn't always cooperate. Before the start of the World War II, many people questioned the morality of using bombers to fight a war, fearing that bombs would kill civilians as well as the soldiers. In response, US air power advocates devised the concept of precision bombing, in which bombers would try to hit only the targets of military significance, like factories, with minimal damage to civilian areas. It was a good idea, but again proved extremely difficult to carry out. Yeah, so things have changed since these concepts were created. Now, yeah, you can see a lot of new evolution, new ways of kind of attacks in the airfield.
कितना अच्छे से ग्लास को कटिंग करके बनाया है। पिक्चर्स नहीं है, ग्लास के ऊपर ये सारा 3D बना रखा है। 3D
You can see it from side. Nice.
ये पिक्चर्स के लिए बना रखे हैं।
It's a Christmas season here, so
क्रिसमस हो गया लेकिन न्यू ईयर तक डेकोरेशन रहेगा। अच्छा डेकोरेशन कर रखा है और बहुत सारे इंजन और अपोलो का पार्ट्स वो सब दिखेगा आपको। ये 1969 रियल सारे यूज़ किया गया है वो सारा दिखेगा। और यहाँ पे बताने के लिए भी काफ़ी सारे हेल्पिंग हैंड्स हैं, जो कि हम लोग को बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। ये सारा प्लेन का ही है पार्ट्स, ये देखिए रियल प्लेन सारे, ये देखिए। बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और म्यूज़ियम काफ़ी फेमस है। काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग प्लान कर रहे थे आने के लिए, और मैं यहाँ पे इससे पहले अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ 2019 कोविड से पहले आई थी। ये देखिए, ये रियल है, आपको दिख रहा होगा रियल। जैसा कि मूवी में दिखता है आप लोगों को, या आपको इंटरनेट पे दिखेगा, ये रियल वाला है अपोलो। ऐसे इसके अंदर बेड भी है।
So the pilot can turn the paddle on.
Those planes you're seeing out there,
Uh-huh.
let's say if they're in battle, it used to be the old planes, you go around like this in battle.
Correct.
He goes, "Phew."
Let's look at what's on this floor first. Alright, so we've got plane. Oh, that's the NASA light.
Space Center, they would bring, then they would stay there for some time, and then this way or that way. All these now evolved.
The one, you're watching the F-22, so F-35 is going to be more Navy. They can take off just,
Oh, without even trying to go.
they just move the thing down. They have to roll a little bit, but they can.
Which year this was built for the first time? 1980s
Yeah, 1996.
was the first. September 1996.
96.
This one she was.
Can you please explain Apollo 1?
What about it?
Any more